Hello viewers, how are you? Today I'll show you a very important thing. uh, what is the bus speed of your RAM? So first of all you have to go to the command line uh, on your PC. So I'm searching here C command prompt. Just go to here command, then type. You have to type wmic space memory chip get speed. So wmic memory chip get speed. So now you have to give enter. Yes, you are seeing speed is 2400. So it is the bus speed of your RAM. If you want to purchase a new RAM for your PC, then you have to maintain this speed so that your PC run faster. So thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and comment on my video, and please subscribe my channel to get new videos from me, new important video. I will upload very much good video next time for you. And if you have any suggestion, so that I can give you the solution, you can give me on comment of my videos. Thank you guys.